One thing me know, me say thing no amaze me. Them take their money and I go Obeah lady. Black man them with Obeah technology. One done them with Obeah technology.
Juvenile have one way to get Papa. Cause I hear what? Him have one Obeah. One little youth, 15-year-old. And him a work Obeah for them. And him a the Obeah man. Yeah man. Good Obeah man. And him a guard the juvenile. But juvenile always a cuss the duppy them. Be sitting. When juvenile left the duppy them, I walk up and down in a community. Me and him reason straight. And him a guide me as a said way. Cause 2 times water come search me. Carry beer search team and himself look out for them in the afternoon. Thursday, same blood time when him tell me.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit your notification button. Country girl, country boss, nuclear, rebel, 306. Yo, all of the boss, them truck boss, Westmoreland boss. Yo, now this clip on the ear explaining, City Post was explaining about Obeah and who them have a work Obeah for them. He was talking to another member, I think it's Black Man, Witness C4, and maybe Mama Christie, and he was explaining to them that him have a 15-year-old youth with a work Obeah and the youth bad, and even when him in a jail right now, him said the youth a work for him. Yo, more talk about this some more. What is Obeah? Well, my definition of Obeah is a metaphysical practice that people use through customs, the customs and where they're from, and different things. Now, Obeah can be good, you can use it to do good, or you can use it to do bad. You can use it to protect yourself, and you can use it to do harm to people. Okay? No, it's a big thing down in Jamaica where people them a go Obeah man or Obeah woman. Remember, a couple of the British link up them, they dead a Mountain View. Go check a Obeah man. The Obeah man set them up. Now, is Obeah real? My opinion is Obeah is real. Have I ever experienced Obeah? I don't think so, but I've seen stuff happen to people. I know a Obeah woman, and in Jamaica, and enough police and bad man, uptown people from all over the world go see that woman here. You understand? Even the doctor them call upon her. You say they make a documentary about her. You understand? Do I agree with Obeah people helping murderers? No, I don't. And that's the way I feel. But anyways, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button. I just wanted to elaborate on murder and give a definition, my definition of how me understand it, and just give my opinion that the Obeah man them and the Obeah woman them to stop help the criminal them at Jamaica. My name is Countryman. I'm out.